In this video, I'm going to show you how you can exit split view mode on YouTube videos using Google Chrome browser. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, I'm here on my Chrome browser and I was watching this video in split view mode. To exit this, you can either exit and make the video that you are watching to be the full screen, or you can exit and restore this to the original interface, that is the original view that contains all the other videos. Now to do this, you need first to select the panel you wish to restore. For instance, for my case, I want to restore to this original, so I'll click here, and as you can see, we have a highlight around it, meaning this has been selected. Now once you have chosen this, head on this icon here for split view and then click on separate views. If you click on separate views, now I'll exit from the previous window and go back to the original YouTube interface. So that's how you can exit split view mode for your YouTube videos on Google Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.